Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today we have another reaction. So, man, today we're gonna react to Beanie Versus. This is episode 2, Maloyconic Maloyconic Battle Beanie Variety Show. So this is the episode 2 of again the variety show Beanie Versus. So, first episode is Tanggal Colette, no, which is an episode kung saan ang host is si Colette, but this time is the Beanie Versus of, I assume, Maloy because of the title, Maloyconic Battle. I'm excited. Nung first episode, it's just a good vibes, man. Good vibes. So I'm looking forward to another good vibes for today. Again, I just woke up. It's Tuesday morning, so I want to have that good vibe, man. And yeah, without no further ado, man, let's get it. ABS-CBN, don't block my video.
Tell me.
Beanie Versus. We have Game Master, of course. Their own Beanie Verse. 3 challenges, 1 episode. Yep. You all know that information.
Hi everyone! I'm Maloy and my Beanie
So nga panalo last episode, Beanie Joanna, right?
verse for today is an adventure with fashion and arts. Woo!
Okay.
Guys, palakpak naman tayong lahat. I need, energy.
Ba't walang
So
tao?
yes, of course, ang adventure natin for today is with fashion and arts because as you all know, I love fashion, I love arts, I love anik-anik, I love decorating, I love it, di ba? I love it.
Yeah.
So, syempre, ang adventure natin for today, of course, hindi mawawala, of course, ang Sunsilk, of course, our partners in crime.
Let's
Nothing,
go, Sunsilk!
even a bad hair day, can stop us from completing the challenges for today. Because we are Gandang Lugay ready for any hair kata adventure.
Sabi ko sana, because we are Beanie. Akala ko Beanie
Welcome to
sabihin.
Beanie Versus Girls! Pasok! Ay! Woo!
Oh, so it's a different day, man. It's a different day. I thought, no? Parang, at least sinabay nila i-shoot yung episode ni Beanie Colette. Pero it's a different day. Okay. May suot nila eh.
Hi guys, so for our first challenge, it's design your own tote bag challenge. Are you guys ready? Oh my God!
Sumabog yung eardrum nung nag-ano.
Halatang nakapagpahinga kami kasi sobrang ingay nilang lahat.
Okay, this is the mechanics of the game. Are you guys ready? Yes! Ready?
Yes, sir!
Yes! So, each player is magde-design kayo ng tote bag nyo. Oh my God! You're gonna design your own tote bag. So, meron tong mga nakalagay na mga art materials. Tote bag. Guys, may mga art materials doon like pens,
Tote bag?
paints, may mga anik-anik and every... Are you really? Yeah, so ganun. Marami siyang mga anik-anik. So, pagandahan
Wow. Halos wala naikinig eh.
lang talaga to. You have 10... Wow! Oh, what? 10 minutes lang!
10 minutes? What do you mean? 10 minutes pa paggawa ng, nagpag-design ng tote bag?
You have 10 minutes to
I don't even know how to draw something in 10 minutes, no?
work, okay? And ito, this is the catch.
Parang bilis na masyado.
What's the catch?
I'm the catch.
Lema lang ang
Okay.
pipiliin.
Lema lang.
Ako sabihin niya, I'm the catch.
Tama lang. Tama lang. Adriana Lema.
kasi siya.
Here's the catch. Adriana Lema. Ang yung pinili.
Lema lang. Guys, lema lang.
Oh, guys.
Okay.
Guys,
Ano yung sa'yo?
I will choose 5 o... Sige na, 1 na lang pipiliin ko. Hindi, pipiliin ko ng 5 best tote bags. Okay, so and that will move on to the next challenge.
Uy!
So, are you guys ready?
My multo is the artwork that did not go to the final round.
And are you guys ready?
May multo kahit sa artwork.
My multo is the artwork
They are
that
ready.
did not go to the...
Let's go. So guys,
It's so chaotic. You know, everyone is talking. Parang hindi mo na maintindihan yung gusto sabihin ni Maloy, hindi mo na maintindihan yung gusto sabihin ni Stacy. Like, nagka-clash yung boses nila, no? Pero, kinda enjoy it, man. Kinda
as you
enjoy
can see,
it.
meron ditong tote bags. Meron mga teddy bears.
Wow!
And a lots of anik-anik. Ay nako, pag ito
Mukhang araw ni Beanie Stacy ngayon, no? Mukhang nakakain siya ng chocolate or something.
pinili nyo, mananalo kayo. May mga anik-anik.
Energetic
And of
masyado.
course, may paints. May
Wow!
mga pens, paintbrush, may water. So, ang kailangan na lang dito is talent. I think they are ready. Are they
Yun yung
ready?
pinakamahirap
Ready?
hugutin
Go.
doon.
Wait lang, bebe muna.
Dapat si... Ha? Hindi, mauna si Bebe na.
Lahat to eh.
Teka lang, mauuna muna siya kasi tignan mo, layo ka Bebe, go, maglakad ka ng ano.
Nagalit.
May head start.
Teka lang.
Yeah, go.
30 seconds head start.
Head start
na 5 seconds.
1,
na ba?
Hindi pa.
2, 3,
One.
priority. 4,
Go po, plain.
5.
Start nyo na po din.
Hindi kayo susunod?
Oh, lago na. So guys, nakikita nyo na po. Nagkumukuha na po sila ng mga art material.
Nakakatawa yun. Tingnan lang si, si Gwen muna. Hindi kita susunod. Ako lang ba? Ako lang gagawa ng challenge na to?
5.
Start nyo na po din.
Hindi kayo susunod?
Oh, lago na. So guys,
Ako lang
nakikita nyo
gagawa
na
nito.
po. Nagkumukuha na po sila ng mga art material.
Wala akong idea. Naninigas yung daliri ko. Medyo nahirapan ako
What?
kasi parang hindi ko talaga kaya mag-art. Alam nila yan. Pag nakakahawak ako ng
What do you mean? Singing is an art. It's a form of art. Pa-deep, no? Dancing and singing is a form of art.
mga paintbrush, naninigas talaga yung daliri ko. Sobrang wala talaga akong idea sa ganyan.
So guys, kailangan talaga dito, creative ka. Kailangan, you have a bright future. Kailangan mataas ang iyong IQ. Hindi, kailangan lang.
You have to have a bright future para magawa to challenge na to. Ganun ba? Ganun ba? So,
Maging imaginative ka. Just be you. Just show yourself. Just show what you can do. Just show yourself. Just show that you can do it. And just show it.
Tingin ko to.
okay?
Sige, sa'yo
Copy.
na yan.
Thank you.
Ako alam na ganito stuff.
So yan, ito, ang dami pa dito.
Wala na,
Pahiram
tagpuan
daw
na
ng-
daw lahat yung brushes. Huwag yun ang guluhin.
Oh, may brushes. Oh, brushes.
Brushes? Brushes?
Hello, wag to, wag to.
Brushes ng mga to pag nagkamali na sabihin.
Wala, ang cute naman. Gusto ko.
Yung host sumali na, no?
Bibigay ko sa'yo yan.
Ano pang cute?
Ay, ang
Ito?
Naninigas ako eh.
So guys, we have 7 minutes and 50 seconds left. Sino ba to? Oh no.
Lord.
So kailangan imaginative ka talaga. Kailangan malawak talaga ang iyong pag-iisip. You have an open mind, open soul, and open spirit to have the best tote bag. Kasi di ba, kapag gumagawa ka ng arts, di ba, dapat chill ka lang, dapat you're just free, you're just carefree, di ba? Pag yung arts, wala
Hindi siya nauubusan ng bala, no? Hindi siya nauubusan ng bala, men.
dapat yung pressure. Just show you. Kung ano talaga nafe-feel mo sa kaloob-loob.
Pwede siyang caster sa mga, like, call this, mga e-sports, yung mga ganyan, mga sports, like basketball or volleyball, no? Pwede siyang caster sa mga ganun no? Hindi siya nauubusan ng bala, men.
Mo sa kaibuturan ng iyong
Anong
puso.
pinate ni Vincent Van Gogh noong 1969?
Noong 1969,
Walang ganyanan. Well, may ganyanan tayo, Stacey.
wala siyang pinaint.
Nice.
Yun eh.
So, ano yung
Nagpahinga siya nung araw na yun. Anong taon na yun?
Saan ka ba mahilig?
Hayati.
Mahilig ako sa'yo. My inspiration is you. Aww. How about you, Ate Aya?
Aww.
What's
Ben, ano yung oras?
Guys, I love weird things. Ito na lang. I will give you, kasi I love weird things, so I wanted it to be weird. Ayoko ng malinis, ayoko ng perfect,
Ayaw mo na malinis.
ayoko ng precise.
ganun.
I wanted it to be
Pwede umulit?
just raw. Just you, unfinished.
Unfinished?
Totoo, guys. Done! Ay! Gwen! Grabe.
Oh my gosh. Galing natin, Haya.
Hindi mo alam kung nagtitrip lang si... Hindi mo alam kung nagtitrip si Baloy, no?
Try ko kayo. Ayaw na malinis eh. Sige.
As you can see, si Gwen is using purple paint. Colette is using yellow paint.
Oh! Giving.
Yellow paint, guys. Blue paint. Pink. Black.
Binabasa ba to?
Joanna Black.
Joanna, what the hell is that?
I'm not gonna see you on the next round.
What's that?
What?
Just give her a chance. Give her a chance.
Purple.
give up. Give
Red and
Hindi pa
yellow.
nga tapos
That's my favorite colors.
What's
Red and
your
yellow.
favorite color? Hey brother, what's
Red
your
and yellow is my favorite
brother?
combo.
water?
What?
Red,
Red and yellow.
Pa yan. Okay. Edi sana nag-yellow.
Guys, inhale. Exhale. Ganyan lang.
Pwede man gaya.
We have 5 minutes and 30 seconds left. And Joanna, wala ka pang
Ano sila,
nagagawa.
no? In their Archangel bag. You guys remember Archangel, man?
I mean, kita naman sa
Masyado ka na ba na-expose ang edad ko dito sa Archangel? What is this? Bakit nandito si Joanna sa gilid?
kamay pa lang niya eh. Na wala siyang sa arts.
Ay! Guys! Guys, look around! Look around!
Dapat, ano na lang to eh, no? Ay, hindi pala pwede. Sabi ko sana dapat team challenge eh, no? Pero hindi pala pwede kasi ano sila, odd yung bilang.
Why?
Look around. Sige, palawakin yung imagination nyo. Huwag kayo manggaya nang gagaya ka, bebe.
Ay, sorry.
Akala ko ba look around?
Grabe si Gwen. Ang galing. So good.
Thank you. Benny yan?
Alam niyo ba, minsan,
daliri ko pag art talaga, uy.
kapag nag-start ka na mag-arts, and kunwari, may subject ka, bigla na lang magbabago throughout the process. Sabi nila. Kasi, yun yung
Is this Maloy's wisdom?
nafe-feel mo eh.
Wow, very chichay.
Tumitigil ang bundo mo. Bumibilis ang tibok ng puso mo. At,
Si Joanna parang pang yung dinodrawing niya.
Pang ano?
at,
Si Joanna parang pang yung
Pang kulto? Pang kulto? Parang pang kulto yung sabi niyo.
Bigyan nyo naman
kasi ng chance.
I will give you a chance.
Oh,
Okay,
nga,
we have
no?
4 minutes.
What the fuck is that? Why we have circle, man? Parang pwede ka nang gumawa ng parang pentagram or something, you know?
Left.
Natawa ko sa pagsingot ni
4 minutes on the clock.
I think I'm sick.
Oh my God!
Oh, may anik-anik pa dito.
Pwede pahingi po ng tubig.
Guys, may
kasi
pens.
ni Jo.
Pwedeng pens so pag nahihirapan kayo kasi work
yung
smarter,
where's your
not
brush
harder. Right?
Oo nga naman, ba't lasa natin gamit ng pen ng parang pen, no? O kaya like, marker or
Grabe.
something, no?
Can we have water? Sorry, Lord.
Water. I will give you water. Oh no,
I feel like, mas gagamitin ko to no, sa, ano, if you guys don't know, I actually have a little bit of talent sa pagdodrawing, no? So, I feel like it's more easier kung ito yung gagawin nyo in a 10-minute, challenge, man. Kung mahaba-haba sana, mas maganda talaga yung watercolor, no? Parang, mas magiging creative yung dating, mukhang painting. What, 10 minutes, man? 10 minutes, really? Really?
Sorry, nasira ko. Kasi si Joanna,
Parang mas mabilis pag ito na lang,
Magaling.
no? Kasi less na yung ganyan-ganyan.
So guys, we have 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
3 minutes?
Grabe, ayan. Yan yung
Gagawa mo
art.
sa
That's
3
art.
minutes.
Diba? Yung natatapon yung mga paintings and everything.
Really?
Yung yung studio. That's art for me.
Diba?
That's abstract.
Okay.
Okay natin to.
Like, Joanna, stop panicking.
Oo, Jo.
I'm your
Hinga ka.
favorite person, oh.
Jo, hinga ka.
Parang si Gwen, napaka-nonchalant lang talaga eh, no? Parang hindi talaga siya, hindi siya na-rush, parang
Huminga ka
hindi siya
lang.
panic or something. Like,
Huminga lang
chill
naman
lang,
lalim.
man. I feel like,
Guys, may
matapos na siya eh,
anik-anik pa,
no?
ha? Yan, so makikita niyo po, medyo, as in, they're running out of time, nagpapanik na po sila. Ay, hindi naman pala.
Hindi na.
So sorry.
Feeling
So we
lang,
have
no?
2 minutes and 40 seconds left. So ang saya. Ang artsy-artsy talaga ng girls.
Ang lalim ng bakuna ni ano. Ang lalim ng bakuna ni Maloy, no? Oh, halatang halata mo eh, no? Ako na ba? Alam mo? Oh, no?
So ang saya.
May mga ganun talaga eh, no? Yung binakunahan, tapos sobrang lalim ng pagkakaano niya, pagkakapeklat, no? Ako kasi parang wala eh. Hindi ata ako nabakunahan. Nakita ko lang talaga yung triceps ko sa inyo, guys. Ay, hindi ko pala. Hindi ko pala makikita. Sorry.
Ang artsy-artsy talaga ng girls.
Yay!
Ang artsy talaga nila. Wow, so cute. Kita na po natin ang mga hindi susunod sa next round. Nakikita ko na eh.
Wait, nabakunahan ba ako? I mean, sabi nabakunahan ako, no? No? Pinabakunahan naman siguro ako, no? Kasi parang hindi ko maalala na meron akong peklat eh. Normal ba yun? Oh, shit. Wait, what? Na. Nabakunahan ako. Napaisip tuloy ako eh, no?
Nararamdaman ko na. May nakikita ko ang ganda. Sobrang ganda. Guys!
Hindi ko tuloy maiwasan tumingin sa mga ganito nila kung meron ba sila. So, para lang malaman ko kung ako lang ba or ano. Pero parang wala naman eh. Wala naman si Stacy, no? Si Sheena.
The
I
end is
guess
coming.
sumuho pa rin
40
talaga ang
seconds
peklat,
left.
no?
40
Okay.
seconds
Don't have
left
to
on
worry
the
about
clock.
Guys, hindi ko ano.
On the clock?
Bebe,
On
be
the clock.
careful, Bebe.
Ay, sorry.
It's fine.
As you can see po, ating mga
So in the mood.
Oh, no.
ating mga painters ay nagkukumahog.
What?
Nagkukumahog sa pagpinta sa ating blankang canvas.
Yung blankang canvas.
15 seconds.
Blankang canvas. Pinilit pag malalim ng Tagalog. No?
13,
Kasi di umabot.
11, 10, 9,
Blankang canvas.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Totes bag up.
Totes bag.
up. Wow.
Wala, hindi ko pa nalalagay.
Wow.
Pwede ganito na lang po. Oh no.
Okay. So let's rate the totes bag. No, totes bag. The tote bags before i-reach ni Maloy. No? Let's do it muna. Tayo
Wait
muna.
lang.
No?
Final touches. May mga final touches pa ba kayo?
Wow, ang galing ni Gwen.
Whatever, I wanna go home now.
No, shit. Nakakita na ako ng ano, no?
Guys, I wanted it to be intentional, may meaning. Lahat ng bagay may rason at may kahulugan. Walang
Maloy
bagay
wisdom.
nangyari lang dahil nangyari siya. Nangyari yon dahil may rason, nangyari yon kasi may pinanggalingan. Right?
Let's go.
Everything has a meaning, a deep meaning.
Wow.
Oh, okay. Mika, very creative, no? Itong, no? Contrast to all the colors at the back. Itong parang flower. Okay. Alright. Let's check the other guys. Yeah, this one. Ito mukhang maganda, no? Ito maganda. Parang you can actually see this, no? Na ibebenta sa mall, no? SM. Okay, so far, I'm looking at the tote bag of Stacy. Di ako nagiging bias, ha? Di ako sa mukha nakatingin sa tote bag ako nakatingin. Tote bag. Sa tote bag. Ang ganda, di ba? Ang ganda. Oh my God. ng tote bag. Ang ganda. Okay. So, then, no joke, no? Maganda yung kay Bini Aya. So, we have Stacy and Aya. In the same level. I don't know, hindi ko masyadong feel maganda yung creativity nung kay, Mika, pero, let's move on. Ooh, wow. Okay. Oh, shit. Kind of like this one, man. They fucking nailed this art. No? Tote bag? What the hell?
Pag ginagalaw. Dapat pala red na lang.
Patingin na.
Isa po yung camera, eto.
Naka-stabilizer. Jo, may stabilizer yan. So guys,
Sorry.
today is the...
Okay. What do you guys think? Oh my God. Parang gusto kay no? Kay Gwen eh. You know what? I'm gonna choose yung kay Gwen. Parang no? Ewan ko, parang very, very artsy yung dating. Ewan ko,
awarding
I'll
day.
really Gwen.
So it doesn't mean na hindi ko pinili is hindi
Sa akin, pag ranking natin, kay Bini Gwen, Stacy and Aya is on the same. Second, I mean, I cannot choose parehas yung dating nila kay Mika, Colette, kay Sheena. Siyempre maganda kay Colette o kay Sheena? Kay Sheena yung heart, di ba? Yung magkaibang kulay. Kay Sheena sa akin muna. Okay, Colette. And then, Joanna. Kay Bini Joanna.
maganda. Everything is art. It's just that kailangan ko lang pumili. Okay? So, my top 5 are... So,
Top 5 natin. Gwen. We have to choose, man. Kay, Stacy tsaka kay Aya. Stacy, Mika, and then Sheena.
top 5 na makaka-step to the next round are... Sheena, Gwen, Aya... Sheena, Gwen, Aya... Stacy, Colette.
Isa lang. Oh, shit. I almost nailed it. Man. God damn. I almost nailed it. Like, 5, no? Why? Maganda naman yung kay Mika. What do you mean? Pero maganda naman kasi kay Colette, no? Okay. Akala ko makukuha ko yung 5 na yun. Parehas kami lumalay. Anyway.
Tanggap ko na eliminated na ako ng first round. Parang nung first round, parang relax na lang ako kasi wala. Okay lang.
Ako lang tayo natanggap na hindi masaya. Gusto mo palit tayo?
Tanggal si Mika and si Joanna. Kasi ganun talaga eh.
Kaya talaga po.
Parang okay naman yung artworks nila, pero may kailangan lang talagang tanggalin. So, okay lang yun. Bawi na lang sila next
Ang creative kaya nung kay kay Mika pinaglaban, no? Yung kay Mika kasi parang yung puti yung diba? Sa likod yung ibang kulay na. Anyway.
time. Yeah. First out! Expected ko na. Give ko na sa girls yan. Kasi iba din talaga sila sa arts. Excited ako sa ibang challenge. Bawi na lang sa ibang challenges.
Okay,
Next episode
round.
na lang.
Palit kayo ni Jo.
Next round. Challenge number 2 is the blind drawing challenge.
Blind drawing?
Meron kayong whiteboard na nasa taas ng ulo nyo, then magdodraw lang kayo. Ganyan. Ano pag ibang madraw? Basta,
Nasa
yun ang
ulo nila.
mechanics.
Draw nila
And
ng
then,
pagka doon.
kailangan sasundin nyo kung ano yung sabihin ko na ito-drawing ko na rin. Draw a face. Draw
ganon.
Ganon. And, yes. So, get it. Ipasok ang mga whiteboard at
Akala ko magpa-paint
everything.
pa. What the heck?
Let's go.
Napa-FOMO si Jo, guys.
Ha? Na-FOMO siya. Okay lang, nag-PBB ka naman. Okay, 5 minutes, go. Draw a face. Face? Draw a face.
That's it?
Yes, just draw a face. That's the first step. Draw a face. Draw a
Draw a
face.
face. Draw a face.
And then, face
Draw
lang
a
ah.
face. Draw a
And then
face.
draw a luscious hair.
What?
Long, luscious hair.
na-drawing ko na.
Bouncy and shiny.
Just your hand, bebe.
Like parang nakasunset, ganun.
Do not overthink.
Yan, wag niyong i-overthink.
Solid. Ganda, ganda.
No pressure, okay?
Sobrang ganda.
Yan. Parang mali na draw ko. Long, luscious hair. Pressure, okay?
Sobrang ganda.
Yan.
What is this? What is this?
Parang mali na draw ko. Long, luscious hair. And then,
Ah, yeah. You don't have a hair yet. You have a face.
make it shiny. O, paano nyo ipoput into drawing kapag shiny
Tama na
hair?
to.
Okay.
Then,
nag-a-attempt agad.
dapat sa taas nung shiny hair may flower.
Just flower.
Oh! It kind of did it. Kay Kay Aya.
Crowd. Anong klaseng flower? Anong klaseng flower?
Carnation flower.
Wait lang.
Anong carnation?
Anong shape na car?
Carnation, pero you're going to draw that blind? Come on, man. Hindi ko nga alam kung paano i-drawing yun ng hindi blind.
Pwede ulit? Okay, hindi na! Oh, wag na daw.
Bang,
Carnation flower. Any flower. Go na? Sige, bouquet of flowers na lang sa top. So,
Grabe. Ang lapit sa artwork ni Ate Bebe. Bebe! Ang ganda! Sigo! Seryoso! Intact lahat.
Intact lahat, no? Eh.
No!
Ayan. And then, of course, after that, later! Lagyan nyo ng, girls, lagyan nyo ng katawan.
What do you mean? Saan nyo pa ilalagay yung katawan na occupied na yung buong whiteboard ng mukha?
Wala na pa ganun! Ito na, lagyan nyo ng leeg. Leeg lang. Wala na.
Walang leeg. Walang...
Okay, next. And
Wala
then,
nga shape ng mukha eh.
girls, this time, kasi syempre, di ba, ayoko naman na parang...
Dapat sinabi
hindi
nila.
tayo, ano tayo
Oo,
dito?
parang wala ng space.
Galit na si Ate
Aya! Yan na galit. So, I'm gonna give you a free will to design your drawings. Design it.
Okay, design it.
Decorate. And you have 1 minute
Ang gulo na nung... Hindi ko na ito maintindihan eh, no?
and 55 seconds. May freedom tayo dito. We have the freedom to choose.
What is this
freedom
now?
to love, freedom to show, and freedom to feel, and freedom to
What?
express. Like we
Nag-give up na si Stacy.
have the
Nag-give
freedom.
nag-give up na.
Human.
O, talaga.
We are here to live.
Nag-give up na.
And just live your life, you know?
Yeah.
Wala.
Live your life.
it na? I just wanna see. I'm curious.
Oh my
I'm
God.
Curious. Done na.
Okay na ako, baka ano pa madraw ko.
Dying.
Okay.
Good!
Ikaw, sa tingin mo, anong ina-expect mo naman?
Lahat ng sinabi mo, like yung hair na mahaba, hair na spark,
Lahat ng sinabi mo, pero kaso ka lang nakamash na, no? Each other, no? Hindi siya, like, nakalagay sa kung saan talaga siya nakalagay. No, siya, halo-halo, no? And this is the result.
sparkling, and everything. Kasi I'm good at it eh.
I'm good at it.
Ikaw, ano sa tingin mo yung na-draw mo?
Na-draw ko naman lahat. Hindi ko lang alam kung tama yung pwesto nila, kung saan sila pwedeng ilagay.
Ikaw, anong sa tingin mo na-draw?
Me, in my mind, I drew something, but I don't know the look.
I mean, she kind of banged it, man. She kind of banged the drawing, man. So,
Baka wala akong na-draw.
Ano na-draw mo?
Hindi ko na
ah,
Grabe yung tawa.
No! Bakit? Ba't
Sheena! Makatawa ka naman. Makatawa ka naman.
It is very eventful. Eventful.
Eventful. Where's the face?
Meron! Ito!
Alam mo kung kasar talo ka dito kay Sheena eh, no? Talo ka dito kay Sheena, kasar talo ka.
Tingnan mo ngayon akin, Shi, kung matatawa ka.
Ako sa inyo.
Oh, there's a face naman.
What do you think you drew?
I think I drew your universe.
Can I see it? Can I see it?
Looks like her. Hoy! May face din yung sa'yo.
Looks like her.
Gusto ko lang makita.
Okay, we have
Is it
15
really good?
seconds. Anong gusto niyo sabihin? Sige.
I just wanna see it now.
Kung sino man manalo siyang.
Well, you don't have to even argue with it. It's Biniaya, man.
Ganda nung kay Shi.
It's so cute.
Yeah.
No?
Seryoso.
Okay, for 3, 2, 1. Can I see?
So if we're going to, ilan bang pipiliin dito? May ilan bang matatanggal? Well, if you're gonna rank this, Biniaya, Sheena, Colette, si Gwen, tsaka si Stacy, kahit saan na sila, no, in the last part.
Okay?
Okay.
Flip.
Can we see it?
Whiteboard.
Wow! Okay, kay Stako muna. Stako, show your artwork and show it to yourself.
Okay, so yeah, this is my drawing.
Oh.
So,
Can I see?
Wow.
Oh,
So artsy.
what is
I see. What is that?
Patingin mo.
It's for you to, interpret, man. Eh yung meaning ng ni Stacy, no? Maybe you don't understand it. Parang abstract nga, di ba? You don't understand it right now, but you just have to, deep it, man.
it's
Guys, listen to
yeah,
her.
listen to me. Kasi you told us a while ago na you're okay with weird things, weird stuff. So I ended up designing everything na super kalat. So I think
I think I see the
Yeah.
vision na parang
Yeah.
nakakulong siya.
I see the vision. Okay.
yeah.
Trying to go out
Yes.
with that yung walls, di ba?
Yeah.
Parang tinatry niya na ibaba yung walls
Yeah.
niya to be free,
Yep.
to be...
Yep. Gano'ng karaming yeah, yes, yep, yeah. Gano'ng karaming pag-oo yung sabihin ni Stacy dito.
Kung... Tama. Next,
Okay.
ikaw.
Wow!
Can I see? Hala, guys, para siyang ovary. Paano? Para siyang
What?
Fallopian tube. Fallopian tube.
okay?
Guys! Okay, I will explain. Okay. Okay, this is the face.
Okay.
This is the hair. The face, the hair, the flower. Oh, no, may mata, mata, ilong.
Mukha siyang Pokemon, no?
Ito si Timaan, si Saron, tsaka si Kuya Lester.
Ano sila, Minion?
Bilog lang, hindi pa sila nag-form eh.
Hindi ba sila na-form,
Galing kasi
no?
sila dito sa
Fetus pa lang
Fallopian
sila.
Tube. Ito, yan. Bumaba sila dyan. Ito yun.
Mga Excel pa.
my story?
Ang kwento pala.
Scientific, guys.
Yes.
Diba? Sabi ko sa
Oh,
inyo.
shit.
Silang tatlo, dadalhin sila. Ito sa sakyan to. Tapos nilagyan ko lang ng ano. Tapos yung sinabi mo design, okay, put something else. Ano ko na lang?
Aww. That's it. Thank you. How about you, Ate Aya? Show.
Nakakatakot.
Wow. Ay, I love it.
Baka sabi ko sa'yo.
I love the
Malinis yung kaya na.
Okay.
So, yeah, it doesn't
Okay.
need me talking.
So, what can you say about your work?
This is the eyes, nose, o diba, tatlo. Tapos ito yung kilay. And this is the lips. Ito yung hair.
No, she kind of nailed it, man. So,
Ginanon ko siya.
what do you mean?
Oh, may flower.
Ate, hindi ka pinapakinggan ni Ate Malo.
Ay, hello. This is my design. This is my van. Yeah, it has wheels. Oh, ito.
May van?
Where's the carnation
kotse
flower?
pala yun.
This one.
Do you know what carnation flower looks like?
this one.
Ay, buti ka pala mo.
I know, right?
Buti ka pa alam mo?
I love bebes.
Okay, Bebe, show it to
abstract.
the camera and show it to yourself. Okay?
This is my first time seeing my drawing.
This is the art, man. Ito yung mga tawag talaga natin na art. Yan. Yung kay Bini Stacy, na medyo naiintindihan mo pa no? Ito, parang you have to really, spend time sa drawing na to. Titigan siya ng napakatagal for you to understand it, man. Gato kalalim yung artistry ni Gwen, man. Tandaan niyo yan. Ito. Gato kalalim yung artistry ni Gwen. Di ba ibang mga art parang nakita mo na, alam mo na yung meaning. So, useless na kasi alam mo na no? Ito, kailangan mo mag-spend time talaga ito. Ilagay mo sa wall mo, titigan mo ng matagal. May purpose. Diba? Kung bakit siya andyan. Diba? Para alamin mo sa sarili mo. Hanapin mo sa loob mo kung anong meaning. Anong meaning yung drawing ni Gwen, man? Kailangan mong hanapin sa sarili mo. Art.
Grabe reaction, sir.
Wow.
Okay.
Very captivating, man.
Instead, you're gonna do a face.
Oh, yeah. This is the face. Okay, next.
Face. The luscious hair.
Hair. Oh, ayan.
Where's
yung
the
hair.
carnation flower?
The flower. Ito. Ay. Ito, flower.
Confused.
Dati kasi hindi niya alam kung asan bandana yung drawing niya.
She didn't know what she drew. She's confused. Okay, asan yung van? Asan yung
Ito
van?
yung van.
Where's the decoration?
Ito.
Making her talk na.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, next.
I love it.
And then this one pala. This is my own idea.
Thank you.
Okay,
Trying.
thank you.
Okay, she's 1%.
You guys don't understand the level of creativity and artistry of Beanie Gwen, man. That's the reason why you don't understand, man. You guys have to understand. Sa mo bibili yan?
Okay. How about you, Bebe? Show it to the camera.
I'm excited. Here's mine.
Show it to yourself.
Oh! Not bad.
Oh, it's kind of like yours.
Wow! You compared,
Oo nga, no?
you compared your work to hers.
But mine's prettier.
Mine's
Okay?
Okay.
I have a story.
What's your story?
This is you.
Yes,
This is the neck. This is the
Oh, may neck pala,
scrumptious
no?
hair.
Scrumptious
Ito
hair.
yung neck ko yun.
Scrumptious.
Uy, tama ako.
Oh,
This is the design. This design. Heart.
I thought I did better.
oh yeah.
Eh, paano mo naman kasi hinayip siya ng sobrang ibang member, no? Like, you did great. Nakabi ni Joanna, no? Intact lahat. Yan tuloy. Expectation versus reality.
Here first,
Ala, I did
for
something.
them to have an overview of what you guys
do.
did.
Inayo.
So, ang pipiliin ko na top
Ito,
3 that will
nagsunsilk na
move
siya
on to
nito.
the next round are
She did something.
Colette, Ate Aya, and Sheena! Bye-bye!
Yeah, told you that's my top 3, by the way. Told you, right?
Hindi, pero maganda talaga. Parang kulit ako ka ng unexpected ako. You pick me last time.
Naalis?
You pick
Can I erase na?
Am I the top
Yes.
3?
I felt so confident. Ewan ko kung ako lang. I felt so confident. Like, parang alam ko na ako naman nanalo. Ganoon ako ka-confident. Kasi feeling ko, hindi naman ako pinakamagaling sa arts, pero I have background. Background? Ano background? Ate ba yung background ko? Comment.
Hindi! That is the rumble. Rumble. Okay. Not particular order.
Okay.
Tanggal si Stacey and si Gwen. Okay lang, tanggap naman daw nila. Kaya babawi naman sila sa next episodes.
Okay, for our final round, it's upcycled couture. So yung
Upcycle?
top 3 po natin ay gagawa ng outfits made up of newspaper and sunsilk sachet.
Shit.
So exciting kasi
Okay.
fashion and art combined. And syempre yung mga eliminated girls natin here that are sitting behind me, sila ang mag-a-assist sa ating mga top 3 girlies.
Oh,
And they have
okay.
the 5 minutes to create the outfit. And then after that, they're gonna walk the runway for 30 seconds. And yan, pipili ako ng the best. Okay, so pipili na sila ng kanilang mga assistants, or should I say, their partners. So,
Pero
una
sa
pong,
amin-
ang unang
amin yung
pipili ay ang pinakamatangkad. So,
Ako?
it's not you, Bebe. It's Ate Aya, and then Colette, and then Sheena.
Si...
Okay.
Sabi ko sana, si Aya ba ang pinakamatangkad? Si ano pala, no? Si Stacy, no? Ang pinakamatangkad, right?
Choose your partner.
Stacey, come here.
Oh!
Come here.
She made up her mind.
Wait,
just as
come
that.
here.
She chose
Only
Stacey.
one? Paano
Come
yung
here.
matitira isa?
Hindi si Gwen na doon.
si Gwen. Chill muna si Gwen.
Hindi pwede mag-host si Bebe.
Oo nga, ako na.
Pwede siya dito.
Ako na.
Why didn't you
Si Gwen na help
Hindi, wag na. Mag-chill na lang siya. And then,
she's
Colette,
gonna help
choose
me.
your partner.
Isip ko tuloy, no? Pag si Gwen na siguro, yung parang episode ni Gwen, siguro kailangan niya i-boost yung all niya, no? Yung 100% niya for that episode, no? Siguro after ng episode na drain siya, no? Sobrang ano yan, no? Sobrang nonchalant. Kasi syempre siya mag-host eh, di ba? So, kailangan niya i-boost yung 100% niya with all the effort to be the host of that episode, no?
Ko alam anong gagawin ko, to be honest.
Ikaw na lang.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're
And
gonna...
then you and Sheena.
Hindi ko alam
But Bebe Gwen is just gonna rest kasi she's feeling blue. Blue?
Wala,
She's feeling
akala ko si
orange.
Gwen yung pipiliin mo. Dito na si
Hindi,
Mix.
mag-chill lang si Gwen.
Chill lang si Gwen.
She's feeling orange.
Okay. Mix! 5
Gotta help
minutes starts now. 5 minutes lang yan ah. Oh, 4 minutes na lang.
Grabe yung time limit, no? Sobrang ikli.
Okay. Oh,
Tipo.
go girl!
Wait, hold on.
For a challenge na, ano, require run
Ay,
time,
gusto ko
sobrang
to.
ikli.
Gusto ko sumali. Bakit di ako sumali? They can do layering. They can do
Oh, okay.
like that.
With the power of Sunsilk.
Wait lang. Or anything. Pwede nilang i-cut yung newspaper or the sachet.
Only have 4
Or pwede nilang,
Okay, wait, hold on.
dami like,
Hold on.
wow, the imagination. Your,
Imagination mo ang limit.
it's hard.
Sorry.
Yeah, ribbit. Go. Meron po tayo ditong coordination, teamwork, perseverance, and creativeness.
Ate Jo!
Okay, guys, don't forget to use Sunsilk sachets because that's important.
Hey!
So yan, nakikita nyo, grabe yung effort. But
Si Sheena ano tawag dito? Yung naka bulletproof vest, 'di ba? Yung mga sinusuot sa mga rapper, 'di ba? Naka bulletproof vest 'yan. Yan suot ni Sheena,
We have
Sunsilk
timer,
bulletproof vest.
and it's
Let's
2 minutes
fucking
and
go.
25 seconds left on the clock. As you can see, dito naman tayo. Grabe, sobrang helpful talaga. Iba talaga kapag may kasama ka. No man is an island. Kailangan may katuwang ka sa buhay. Kailangan
True.
somehow may tutulong sa'yo.
True.
Diba?
Stop
But
bang.
it's okay.
That's the reason why, guys, you always have to appreciate every people around you, no, na nagmamahal sa inyo. Naging ano tayo na, naging wisdom. Si Maloy kasi, dabing pa wisdom eh.
Dependent. But not too dependent. Dependent pala. But not too independent. Okay, oh my. And na nagtitape na sila and everything. As you can see, this is the Sunsilk. Hi, Ate Kath. Shout out to you, Ate Catherine. Tape naman na. Ang ganda. Okay, 1 minute and 24 seconds left.
Okay, I guess this is the last challenge. You know what? We're going to check. I mean, so far, no, yung pinipili namin ni Maloy is almost the same, no? But let's see in here.
I need to see creativity and originality. Nakikita po natin, nagka-cut na din sila ng mga Sunsilk na product. Ay, ang ayaw. Ang galing! Tipo dashi. Bango!
Parang haba naman nito masyado. Ilanan to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dalawa. So, may kadikit siya sa taas, may kadikit pa siya sa gilid. So, pwede mo siya, mo siya mag-ganon, tapos pag-ganon.
So, 50 seconds left, guys. 50 seconds. Time is running. If I say stop, you're gonna stop. If I say stop, guys, 20
Are they
seconds
making...
left.
My gourd.
Akala ko gumagawa sila ng pakpak.
Ilagay ko na lang.
What are you doing?
15 seconds left, guys. Ang measure ng aking... 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop! Stop!
Okay, let's see, man. Sino ang ating panalo?
All the way from Cebu.
Oh, shit. Even like have a ribbon.
Last minute, gumawa pa kami ng ribbon para sa top niya. Tapos last minute din namin stinapler.
It's fun kasi until the end, I get to be artsy. Yeah.
Ah!
Okay.
Oh, hair flip dyan!
Stapler mo dapat sa tenga mo. Dapat naka-stapler. Dapat nakaganito to.
Oh nga, no? Yeah, that actually looked like banger. Long on lagay niya doon.
Hair flip, hair flip. Hair flip ulit. Oy, hair flip.
Ganda ng puhok. Roshi!
Sino?
Alam ko na! Tignan mo, may natapos. Tinuwas niyo yung ganito. Wow!
May confetti.
Ako yung nag-stapler niyan.
Grabe, smile.
Yung robot, no? Ah! No, man. I was about to say, no. For me, pinakamaganda overall, no, it's a design is Viniaya, no? No bias, ha? No bias. I'm being legit in here. Yung pagkakagawa ng Sunsilk, Viniaya. But the execution, man. Execution, man. Sheena.
Error, mag-error. Gagayahin ka ba namin? No, just go with your own.
You go with your own.
Wow! Grabe. Sino Pilipin niya? Yung
Pinamil niya. Sana ako palabas na ata siya. Palabas na.
Hi guys, so it's the final round also to choose the winner.
Okay. Alright, I need to choose, man. I need to choose. I'm gonna choose Sheena.
For this round. Okay, before anything else, before I announce the winner, pwede bang palakpakan muna natin sila? Everyone, let's give them a round of applause. Thank you guys for your effort, for your imagination, for your creativity, your passion, your blood, sweat and tears, everything. You guys are creative, and you should know that from the bottom of your beautiful hearts, okay?
Okay?
So, ayan, pipili na ako ng winner. Sa
Okay.
tingin niya sino ang mananalo?
Yung manok ko, sa Ate Aya.
Ikaw. Si Sheena.
Ako si Bebe.
Labas ka! Parang kasama kita.
Okay, guys.
Bebe, you're the winner.
Okay, okay.
Dapat
So, nakita niyo
malambing mo
naman
si Ate
yung
Colette.
outfits. Nakita niyo, pwede niyo siya create with a Sunsilk sachets and newspapers. Guys, no bad hair days can stop us from completing all the challenges. So thank you, Sunsilk.
Let's go, Sunsilk.
Thank you for the good hair
W,
day. Thank you. Thank you for the sachets
sponsor.
and everything. So I think it's time to announce the winner. The winner for this round.
Pwede mag-first na
Wait,
up ka
nakita
muna.
ko kasi, ito muna, kaya may criteria tayo. Nakita ko yung creativity,
Okay.
and I saw the passion, the confidence, and
Nakapikit talaga. Kailangan nakapikit talaga.
feeling
Miss
ko,
Universe?
ano siya, like parang nag-stick siya sa character niya. So I
Oh, yeah, okay. So it's Sheena.
think the winner for my universe, my Biniverse with fashion and art is Sheena! Ay! Wait, She's the winner! She's the winner!
And deserve ni Bebe. Hindi dahil bias ko siya. Oo, that's a fact. Bias ko siya. Pero hindi ako bias sa naging decision ko. I just liked what she did.
Congratulations, Sheena. What can you say
Oh,
about
nice.
winning this challenge? And you've been through so much. You've been through 3 challenges. At naisip mo ba yun? Na sa 3 challenges na yun, mananalo ka, di ba? Sa pagiging creative mo, sa pagiging passionate mo as a person. And by just being yun, nanalo
Parang sobra
ka
na.
ng
Si Maloy, no? Hindi siya nauubusan ng bala, man. Hindi siya pwede siyang caster talaga. For real, man. Pwede. Yung announcer sa mga laro, no?
Grabe. What can you say?
Thank you.
Lalaglag.
Thank you to everyone who believed in me. Actually, I already saw this coming. It's not something new. Maybe something new to me would be I would lose, but I'm a winner. So I think I'm not that surprised. But thank you, Ate Maloy. I know
Another that
this episode
surprise.
is about you, but I made it about me.
Yung rumampa siya, the best talaga. Alam mo, kahit ano naman gawin ni Sheena, talaga, the best talaga siya.
Yep, let's go.
Congrats! Thank you, Samsung! Thank you.
Tell you honestly, Sheena's growing on me. This past few days, Sheena is just growing on me, man. I'm always looking forward, no? Sa mga nakasama si Sheena.
Samsung! Thank you, Samsung!
Core memory, nung i-announce natin Maloy na ako na yung panalo, maliban sa I expected it na, it feels different pag in-announce ka na eh. Sana
Yes,
maulit sa
different.
ibang games. Ay, hindi, ayoko maging kahaman. Next games, hindi na ako mag-e-effort sobra. Sakto lang.
Hi everyone, so this has been my universe with fashion and arts. Thank you, Sunsec. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, girls, for doing your best. And sa pag-introduce sa blooms ng inyong artsy side. I hope na na-appreciate yung lahat. And see you on the next episode. Bye, guys!
Let's go. That's a great episode, no? Okay, that is again the Beanie Versus episode 2, Maloy Conic Battle. This is a Beanie variety show. I actually enjoyed that. I feel like I enjoyed that more than the the Beanie verse ni Colette. Because parang yung kay Maloy parang na-enjoy ko every challenge. Yung kay Colette kasi hindi ko na-enjoy yung first part yung hindi ko masyado na-enjoy yung parang gagayahin nila yung parang nasa nasa parang screen or something. Hindi ko siya masyadong kasi parang hindi match yung yung nasa pader. I don't know. Hindi ko siya masyado na-enjoy yung part na yun. But it's still a great episode, pero ito mas na-enjoy ko siya, no. And ang daldal ni Maloy. That's the one thing that I realized, no. On this episode, ang daldal ni Maloy, man. Grabe. But that's the reaction today. Hope you guys enjoyed that. See you on the next episode of Beanie Versus. Peace.